Alright folks, this is going to be a quick tutorial on how to use Screencastify. So this is from the beginning. I'm going to search Screencastify as a tool that we can use to record our screens, record ourselves, showing different instruction, examples, lectures, just a pre-recorded video that we can use to show our students. And so this is an extension that's going to be added onto our toolbar. It's a Google Chrome extension. So you'd click on this button and allow it to be added to your toolbar, and it's going to get us to the point where it's added up here. So if I go to Screencastify, it's going to give me the options to get set up. Okay, so making sure that we're signing in with our school accounts, because it's going to save the videos right to our Google Drives. So signing in with Google, making sure that I use my school account here. And once we get signed in, making sure that we allow it. Okay, and this is just giving access to our drive so that it saves the videos into our drive. So we got to make sure that we allow that, or else we won't be able to use the tool. Setting our permissions. Just giving us the extension permission to access your camera and your mic, and some of the other tools that we could use to edit our videos. Yes, you may do that. Yes, you may enter those. I'm an educator. Grade school. Looks like we are all done. Okay. So once we get in here, we have a couple different tutorial videos that are already available. Making our first recording. So making our first recording, we should have the toolbar extension added now, which is this pink arrow that we have in the top right here. And so to actually do our recordings, that's going to stay up there on our toolbar. It gives us different options. So we can have specific tabs, so as we move around on our computer, it only records the specific tab we're on. Could be the full desktop, so the students will see your entire screen as you're showing a tutorial or just showing students how to navigate. Or it could be just a video of you. If you want it to be the full desktop with the video embedded, like this video here where you have your webcam in the bottom corner, you need to make sure this is turned on. Make sure your camera is selected. Most of us are only going to have one option for our cameras and or microphones. And then we start record. This is going to give us an option to select our screen, okay, share, and then it's going to bring up this toolbar in the bottom right. This gives us the option to do some drawing on our screen. Could be erasing those drawing, making sure that our mouse is highlighted as it moves across the screen. But the important thing is the pause down here, pause recording. If I click on that, that gives me the option to end my recording. If I can get this to work down here. There we go. It's hard for folks to see the issue that I was having there because I've got two screen recording apps open right now. And so the two menu bars in the bottom left were overlapping with each other. But this brings us to the editing page. And so from here on this editing page, this is where we're able to complete our video, share our video. So this will give us a link. So we can send this link directly to our students. We can post it on our Schoology, our web pages, or else publishing to YouTube. That's something else that you could consider doing. Downloading the video. If it's a video that you need to put on a flash drive and send them to one of our distance learning students, or I mean they're all distance learning students, but one of our students that's receiving the paper packets, this could even be an option if you want to show like a math lesson or a science lab, something that you are showing them on your computer and they can still watch this. That way they don't need to access the internet for downloading or any of the websites. So that is one way that we can record our screens and help our students.